Hello everyone, I'm Victor Fitzgerald. I'm a Senior Product Manager for the GED Testing Service. In this video, I'm going to do a quick introduction to our free mobile app, GED Me. GED Me is available for download from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. I'm going to demo some of the functionality and features that you can see in the app today and tease some of the upcoming functionality that you can look forward to. After you download and install the app, you'll be asked to either create a new GED account or log on with your existing account from GED.com. You will be asked to select your initial study area, and then you'll be presented with the screen you see in front of you. We call this the learning board. If a student has already taken a GED Ready prior to engaging with the app or is planning on taking a GED Ready shortly after this, their learning board will be customized to only include the skills that the GED Ready indicates that they need to study. Our learning board is structured around questions and responses. In this case, I'm going to dive into one question as an example. When I select the question, you can see that all of our questions are formatted as multiple choice with a question on top and answer selection below. I'm going to go ahead and select A as my answer. And as you can see, I got that incorrect. And the learner will immediately get feedback on their selection, as well as a detailed explanation of why that was not the correct answer and what they can do next. If students need more support after this written explanation, they can engage with our GED AI tutor, Sid. When Sid launches, the learner is given some quick prompts to help them break down the question or dive into what they need to do differently. In this case, I'm going to dive into break it down for me, which will give me a step-by-step methodology of attacking this question and driving towards the correct answer. If learners are still struggling, they can type directly into the chat box and Sid will be able to respond. Sid is multilingual and is able to respond to candidates in more than 250 languages. Sid is currently able to tutor only in math, but they are training in science and the other subjects, and those will be releasing over the coming months. As students continue with the GED, they can access their profile directly within the GED Me app, which will show their progress toward the GED credential, as well as allowing them to switch between subjects to continue with their studies. If you have any questions about the app, feel free to reach out to any members of the GED team. Thanks.